What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. This time, I'm gonna be cleaning these FTW Supreme Blazer lows. As you can see, they got pretty trashed. They look disgusting, but hopefully I can go ahead and get them cleaned up because they are my size, an 11.5. I don't mind picking these up for like 50 bucks after I clean them, you know what I mean? So today I'm gonna be cleaning them using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit and our brass bristle brush to reset them out afterwards. I may need to use the laundry system, which is why I have the laundry bag here. So just a heads up, but I am gonna start with a quick clean first, and if needed, the laundry system will be next. So let's get started. If you're wondering why I'm wearing these little spectacles for Snapchat, we're doing some cool content behind the scenes using these glasses, so make sure to follow us on Snapchat if you're not already following us. First step, removing laces. The next step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size, and that's gonna allow us to apply more pressure on the toe box and get a real good cleaning. And begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. Anytime you're cleaning a dyed suede shoe, you wanna be very careful. On some colors, sometimes the suede tends to bleed. Most of the time I'll see it like on a red color or a blue color. I can't tell you on every shoe that's gonna bleed the suede, but for this one, it doesn't appear to be bleeding. So you wanna make sure you're just careful. Anytime you clean a dyed suede shoe, you do risk the chance of it bleeding, guys. So be careful. All right, guys, I think I am done cleaning the uppers with our soft bristle brush. I do still see a few deeper stains on the uppers, especially on this side here. I'm not sure what was kicked, but as you can see, this whole strip right here is still stained on the suede. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use the all-purpose brush. I'm not sure if it's gonna fray the material, so I'm gonna be gentle and do one direction only. But if I don't feel any fraying or any snagging, I'll go ahead and just go back and forth and get that deeper clean. So let's do that now. One more tip, guys, anytime you're cleaning suede, you wanna make sure you clean the entire shoe evenly. You never wanna do a spot clean on just certain spots where the dirt's at. What can happen is you can create water spots, causing the suede to turn a different color in that section, and then the rest of the shoe will be its normal color. So you wanna make sure you clean the entire shoe evenly. All right, guys, so our next step is to clean the midsole and the outsole using our stiff bristle brush. These don't appear that bad. They have a few stains here, and it's not painted. This is a rubber midsole. That obviously the whole full outsole and midsole are the same. So the stiff bristle brush would be perfect on these. So let's do that now. All right, guys, I think I am done cleaning the entire shoe. Go ahead and check it out. It's gonna appear a little darker because it's still wet. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is let these dry for about an hour, see how they look. If they're still dirty and there's still deep stains, I might hit it a second time and then try the washer method just to see if anything gets better from that. But the next step, guys, is I'm gonna put those to the side. Grab these dirty laces, dip them in our bowl solution and water mix. Go ahead and give them a good deep cleaning. Bubble. Fail again, dude. Fail again. So we get a lot of questions on how do we let shoes dry. One thing you don't want to do is put them in the dryer. You never want to put shoes in the dryer. So we actually have a little fan behind the camera over there that I'm going to go ahead and set the shoe on the little shelf and just turn on the fan and just let it dry for the next hour. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go. Set them right there. Turn on the fan on high. Cool, we'll let those dry for the next hour. All right guys, we are back. It's actually been a few days since we first started cleaning this shoe. As you can see, it came out super duper clean. Now in the beginning of the video, I did mention I was using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit, which is considered our quick clean method. It cleaned up pretty good, but it wasn't the result that I wanted. We still had some deep stains on the uppers right here, which kind of looked like this. Well, it looked exactly like this, to be honest with you. And it didn't remove fully. So what I went ahead and did was use our Reshoevn8r Laundry System. I put them in the wash, normal cycle, cold water, and these were the results. And as you can see, they came out super nice. Like, I'm impressed. They came out pretty clean. Just look at that side-by-side comparison right there. So now guys, the next step to do is use our almighty mink oil. And what this is gonna do is bring back some of this color, because as you can see, well, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there are some white spots here. That's gonna bring back some of the color and allow that suede texture to be soft again. So let's go outside and spray this mink oil. Just go ahead and scrub it in. All right, let's go inside and lace them up. So that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Go ahead and take another look at the kicks. They came out super duper clean. Once again, guys, that was achieved by first using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit, but then I moved on to our Reshoevn8r Laundry System, then went ahead and got it all cleaned up. Not to forget the Reshoevn8r laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. And then I went ahead and finished it off with some almighty mink oil, which helps bring the color back and that texture back of the suede as well. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, if you're not already part of the Reshoevn Nation. Don't forget, we are giving away a pair of Yeezys every single month this year. So we're pretty much halfway there in July. So don't forget to sign up for that, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what's your favorite Supreme item that they come out with so far? For me, I think those life jackets they just came out with were pretty dope, right, Lee? Yeah. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. Thank you again. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you in the next one.